Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to talk about how to add a table view to your project. A table view represents the model elements with attributes in a tabular format. Each row represents a model element, and each column represents attributes of that element or the results of an expression. You can sort a table by column in ascending or descending order. And also you can resize the columns with a drag action. In today's video, we're going to add a table view to this example application about bank acquisitions. First, we will go to Perspectives Designer, and on the left side here, we see the project tree. We're going to add a new view and select Table. We're going to name this Acquisition Table. And we'll click OK. And now we're going to choose the domains. The domains act as a filter upon the model. So we're going to choose acquisition because those are the elements that we want in this table. Next, we choose which attributes we want to show in this table. And in our case, we're going to want to show all of the attributes. So we're going to select acquisition at the top of this list. And we click OK. Now we're going to look at the preferences for this view. So we have options for highlighting, sorting, tooltips, and tab appearance. So here we're going to update our sorting capability. So we're going to click Sort by Attribute, and then we're going to choose which attribute. So in this case, we're going to choose Year. The table view is now fully defined, so let's go add it to our dashboard. So we go to View Layout, and we're going to add a vertical split panel. So we'll have the drawing view above, and then down here below, we're going to add our new acquisition table. Then let's resize so that the table takes up about 30% of the height of the application. Let's go to the web preview and see how the results look. And here we see our drawing view of the bank acquisitions at the top and the table view at the bottom. We can interactively sort the table by clicking on the header of a column. And I show again here. We also can resize columns by dragging them. And the views are synchronized, so when we click on a row in the table, we're taken to the relevant part of the drawing view. Now we're going to return to the designer and add alternating row colors to our table. We return to the preferences for our table view, go to alternating row color, select it, and here we also can choose a different alternating row color. We're going to keep the default gray color. Now we will return to the web previewer and see how it looks. And here is the updated table view with alternating row colors. In addition to what we've seen today, toolbars and context menus also can be added to the table view, and attributes can be edited directly in the table view as well. In today's video, we discussed the benefits of the table view available in Tom Sawyer Perspectives. We also added a table view to an application and then updated it. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.